Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to resize your icons in Windows 11. Now, the easiest way to do this is right click on your home screen here, select View, and here you should have the option of large icons. And all the icons will be made large like that. You can right click it again, select View, and select Medium Icons. You can do that again, select View, and Small Icons. Alternatively, you can hold down the Control on your keyboard and scroll up or down to make the icons bigger or smaller. Now, you can also do this within files and folders. So, say we want to adjust this folder here, you can select View, and then you can have extra large icons, medium size icons, and small icons. Again, you can hold down Control and scroll up and down to make the icons bigger or smaller. So that's how to resize icons on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.